Tungkol po ito sa 2025 palarong pambansa. Ano ba ang mga scheduled activities dito? So nakalagay dito that the 67th edition of the palarong pambansa with the theme Nagkakaisang Kapuluan is scheduled from May 24 to May 31, 2025 and shall be hosted by the local government unit of Ilocos Norte Province, together with the DepEd Region 1 Ilocos Region Office and the Schools Division of Ilocos Norte. Ito po yung schedule of activities. Arrival of delegation sa May 20, 2025. Venue ay siyempre sa Ilocos Norte. Registration, simultaneous orientation of technical officials and National Technical Committee members ay May 20 rin. Ito ay to be announced kung saan yung venue. Refresher course ay sa May 21 to 22, 2025. Wala pa rin venue, ano? Tapos Solidarity Meeting, May 23, 2025. Hindi pa rin ina-announce yung venue. Ito yung opening ceremony. Sa May 24, 2025, sa Ferdinand E. Marcos Memorial Stadium. At saka meron silang palaro ng lahi sa May 25, 2025 sa wala pa rin yung venue, no? At saka exhibition sports May 25 din. Kailan ba yung competition proper? Magsimula po ito ng May 26 to 30, 2025 sa mga different playing venues. May closing program sa May 31, 2025 sa Poway Church. Departure of delegation ay from June 1 to June 2, 2025. Nakalagay dito na all regional delegations are advised to arrive in Ilocos Norte not earlier than May 20, 2025. Further, the regional delegations are enjoined to attend the closing program on May 31, 2025. So yun po yung mga nag-aabang sa schedule ng palarong pambansa. Mga ka-Jesnabs, baka pwedeng paki-subscribe naman, ano? At ito ay bago kong channel. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.